Hey, how you doing? Pat here. We're getting ready to go to the gas station to give my giant loop, not a fill bladder, a test before I head off to Alaska here in another couple of weeks. If you want to see how this works, because I know I do, I've only seen it on what's his name, Dork in the Road's YouTube channel. It's where I got the idea for this. Stick around, stay tuned, and let's see how well this works. Okay, problem number one, you're supposed to hang this like this to get it filled, but unfortunately this isn't like a quick disconnect like it should be. That would sure make life easier because of my hand grips. I can't easily just hang it from that, and I sure don't want to hang it from the levers. So let's do something dumb. Let's do this. Alright. Turn the grips. Alright, and I'll be back. I kind of wish this had a tether to it, but it doesn't. But that's okay. Alright, let me get my gloves off and get the gas pump running. I'll be back. Okay, this is 2 gallons. We are going to go very, very slow as to not make a mess. That is the fill line. And there we go. We're putting gas in it. Okay, I'm at 1.8. I can kind of see the fuel. I don't know if I should go ahead and fill it to the full 2 gallons or not, but I'm going to try without spilling anything, I hope. What I'm doing is I'm pulling out on this right now. 1.9. I think that's close enough. I can see the gas. I don't want to spill any. Okay, get ye old gas cap back on. Make it just like my German bike, good and tight. I know, bad humor, right? Okay, pull that off the mirror. And now I don't know how I'm gonna strap this down when I actually go to Alaska in a couple weeks, but for right now, we are just experimenting here. So I'm going to go through that. Alright, we got her tied down. Third time I've checked it, that's tight. I want to keep that facing up. Alright, I'll be back when I put it in here in a little while. Alright, let's see, hopefully that shows up on camera. I'm down to 144 miles of range. Let's pretend we're out of fuel and let's get some fuel in here and see what happens. Okay, first thing. Let's get our little spout out of here. Okay. Get you hung back up. Yeah, I gotta come up with a better way of doing this. I don't care for this method. I wish this was a snap, just like my rock straps here. I think it would make more sense. So temporarily, gonna hold it there. Release that slowly. Showing my age here, but I think in the immortal words of the Fruit of the Loom commercials, this is the tricky part. Without making a mess. Oh, yep, and I just made one hell of a mess. That bike needs washed anyway. Wow. I didn't even think I tilted it that much yet. Lessons learned. That's what I meant to do before I just made the mess. So, learn from my mistake. That's part of why I'm making this video. Plus, it's practice for in case I need this extra fuel when I'm in Alaska. I know what you're saying. The guy's got a GSA. It's got 8 freaking gallons. Why does he need 2 more? Well, my ultimate goal is Prudhoe Bay. And yes, I should be able to make it there, no problem. But sometimes the gas stops run out of gas. So this is my, let's just say, emergency supply here. All right. Other than me being a total jerkwad and jackwagon, that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad at all. We'll hang that back up. Alright. If you would, please give me a thumbs up, even though I made one hell of a mess. And hopefully you got something out of this. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I'd appreciate that. And there we go. And I will get out my spray and clean this mess up here before I leave. Okay, let me lean back here, and I might have to zoom in, but it took a while, but it updated. I went from 140 miles basically now to 230 miles of range, so it does know I put the gas in. That's cool. All right. We will see you in the next video, whenever that may be. Thanks again for watching. I greatly appreciate it.